In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Samsung phone not making calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, what you basically want to go ahead and do, this works on any Android phone by the way, firstly swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel. Just make sure you're not on airplane mode, because when you're on airplane mode, yes, it saves battery and you won't get notifications, but it also takes away the ability for you to make calls, receive phone calls, use Wi-Fi, anything like that. So you want to make sure airplane mode is turned off. Next, it might just be a case that you're just not getting notifications, so you want to go ahead and just make sure that your sound volume is high enough. Then after that, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your phone application. So I'm going to go to it right now, and then on the top right, I'm going to see there's three little dots. Go ahead and click on that, then click settings right at the bottom. Now what I want to do here is I just want to go ahead and scroll down, and then I'm going to see supplementary services. So when you go ahead and click on that, you want to make sure that nothing is enabled in there. And then if that still doesn't work, what I want to do is I want to go over to my settings application, and then from here scroll all the way down, and then you're going to see a lot of different things, but you want to go to software update. If there is an update available, go ahead and download and install it, restart your phone, and then your Android should be able to start making calls again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.